Yeah.
office, what you have. So tell me when. All right. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Can we meet you, sir? Can we meet you, sir?
Yes, of course.
Okay. What's the name? And the
My
name of
name
your
is
company?
Elie Saab,
Okay.
and I am a business partner with the CIS Bureau.
CIS
Yeah.
Bureau. Okay. Majorly, what are the offerings of CIS Bureau? What are your products? What are you selling?
Yeah. Normally, in 2 words, we sell digital printers and sign making machines. Yeah, we do large format. We do DI. We do all type of inkjet technology like solvent, mild solvent, latex, UV, dye sublimation, all this stuff. And with the sign making, we do laser CO2, we do fiber laser, plasma, CNCs, digital cutter, all this stuff. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. So, if I may ask, who are your customers? Who are your target customers?
Yeah, we have many customers in Nigeria. For example, the lady behind you is Digital Reality, one of our customer. We have also Romaron, we have Rhine, Flowtech, Doculand, and many other big companies in Nigeria. Yeah.
Right, thank you very much, sir. So, apart from the weather condition, the rain that affected things, so how do you see today's event? How do you see IPEX 2023?
Yeah, and we see it in a good way. So this is why we are exhibiting here. Yani. It's a promising event, and we would like to participate every year with NIPEX. Yeah, yeah.
So good, so happy to hear that you would like to participate every year, sir. So, just one word for IPEX, just one word.
Ah, IPEX. Yeah, I'm happy, and the organizer is good, and he is experienced, and he knows how to pamper his customer very well. Yeah, yeah, and we are happy with them. All the best to the exhibitor and to the organizer too.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your time, sir. See you tomorrow, sir. Make it a day. Yes, sir. Thank you.